Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to share with you a haul. So I have bought a lot of things. So I have bought a lot of high-end products, as you can know from the title of the video. So I have bought a lot of products from Sephora, then Bobbi Brown and MAC. So all these stores are available at Phoenix Market City, Bangalore. So I have bought a lot of products. So if you want to know what I have bought, then keep on watching. And also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get started. So in Sephora you have Smashbox products also. Yeah, I could have ordered the Smashbox product from Nike also, but I was not sure of the shades of the product. So I have got this Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation. So it's a stick foundation. You have the contour at one end and also the foundation at other end, and I took the shade 3.1. so I was so confused with so many shades. There were 3.0, 3.2 and a lot of shades were there. So I take a shade which is the foundation, where the foundation is little bit darker to my skin tone. So yeah, so I'm really happy, and you can see it's a big one. Like you can see, it's a very big one. It's going to long last, and I'm really happy with the purchase of this product. So it cost me 3,000 rupees. So it's a high-end product. So I thought of, okay, let me try how the product goes on my skin and let you guys know also how the products are. So yeah, this is the first product I bought from Sephora. Now next, one more foundation I got from Smashbox. This is a Smashbox Studio Skin 15-hour Wear Hydrating Foundation, and it is said it is an oil free. So it's quite watery. It is very watery. So I don't know, like, and it says it's hydrating also. It is oil free also. I wanted to see like how it goes on for my oily skin, but yeah, this is how it looks. And I bought the shade 3.35, and the price of the product is 3,300. So I want to see how is this product, and it says it is going to stay for 15 hours. I really want to see how it goes on, and how, like, I want to have a flavor of the high-end products, how they goes on, how are they different from the low-end products. So yeah, I bought this. So I'm going to have a lot of tutorials with this, and it contains 30 ml of the product. It is a very beautiful glass bottle. So I'm going to do a separate review of all these products. So today I'm going to show you the hauls. I'm not going to show you the quality and all this, but in a separate video I'm definitely going to show the quality of the product. So these two things I bought from Sephora. Next I went to Bobbi Brown store, and from Bobbi Brown store also I have bought two things. So I have bought this foundation, the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation with SPF of 15. I have heard very good things about this foundation. I am in the shade 6.5 Warm Almond. This is how it looks. So one shade lighter than this was looking quite lighter to my skin tone. So I said, no, let me take a little bit of bronze shade, so that later I can, you know, apply some concealer. I have the Bobbi Brown concealer, and apply some concealer and highlight middle portion of my face. So I took this one, and yeah, this has a beautiful pump, and this is also very lightweight. I tried it in the store. It is very lightweight, so I wanted to see like how it looks in my skin. And this foundation retails at rupees 4,300. It is a little bit costly than the Smashbox one. Next, one more thing I bought from Bobbi Brown store. I got this bronzer. This is the bronzing powder in the shade medium 2. So this is how it looks. It's a very beautiful powdery product. When I tried it in the store, it was looking so beautiful. Like, you know, I think this is the darkest shade they have in the store, and yeah, you can see it looks so beautiful, and it has a mirror also. The price of the product is 3,300. One more thing, like when I went to the Bobbi Brown store, I said like, I've used your under eye cream, then vitamin C enriched cream, and you know, if you have something new skincare product, give me some samples so that I can try and, you know, purchase it. So they gave me this Bobbi Brown mask. This is the Bobbi Brown instant detox mask for free. They said, okay, you can apply it for one time and see how it goes on. So I think 1 or 2 times. Yeah, white clay mask. They had 3 varieties of masks. So out of that, when I said I have very oily skin, they said, okay, you can try this and see how it goes on. So this I got it free. So I'm going to try this, how it goes on. Next I move into the MAC store. So Bobbi Brown, when I went to the Bobbi Brown store, they are taking so much time to do the billing and all. They were very new and a lot of products were not raised. A lot of products were very new and they were not able to do the billing and all. Then I said, okay, let me go to the MAC store, buy see a few things and come back. So from the MAC store I got this pigment. This is the MAC Glitter Brilliant. It is the iridescent white. It's a very beautiful glittery color. You can see I am sure the camera is showing only white, but it's a very beautiful iridescent color. So I thought of taking this and make some bridal looks with this glitter and all, or festive look. For any kind of festive look you need glitter, so I got this glitter. The price of the product is 2000. And one more thing that I got from MAC store is this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus PINKLITE. This is not a ordinary MAC Fix Plus. This is little bit of different. I've seen in the internet, I think a lot of Instagram videos you have seen like this Fix Plus using some glitter in it. So yeah, you have to shake it and all the glitter and the liquid is going to mix and they are going to look very beautiful. And yeah, I really like this. Like you shake it like this and then wow, it's going to give a glitter, like very fine glitters are going to come in your face. So this is available at MAC store and this is new limited collection. If you want this, and then you can go to the MAC store and grab it, and it is not so much costly also. It retails at rupees 1650. And also I asked them like when I'm going to get the Patrick Star collection in the MAC store. They said these are not available in stores. You have to check it in the online website. Either you can go for Superstore or Nykaa. I think in Nykaa a lot of products are not available. Only the eyeshadow and lip gloss. So the whole collection is not available. So I hope on 16th of June all the products are available. So these are all the products I bought, and so I bought a lot of foundation and a bronzer and this Fix Plus and a glitter and eyeshadows and all. I think most of them are already there. I have already tried, like the Bobbi Brown thing, they don't have much new eyeshadows and all, so most of them I have already tried and they did not have much collection also. Yeah, so these are all the products I have got. So I'll provide the details of all the products in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.